Here we have a German typewriter. This is a German Triumph portable machine. This typewriter right now is in a non-restorated condition. You can tell by the fact that I have not taken the time to clean the bottom out, which is dirty. The typewriter itself is in really good condition actually. There is a little bit of paint wear here on the space bar and over there, which seems common by these machines. And there is a label missing on this over there. And besides that, I haven't really found anything that had occurred to me besides the fact that the margin release was disconnected when I found it. I got this today at the local junk store for $5, and it's in really nice condition. But there's one thing I have to say, and that's at the local junk store they handle these things as junk. And that's just a fact that I like to point out, and I was really disappointed and sad when I found this nice little machine. And I will tell you why, and that's, we have to move on to the case here. Let me take this away. And we have a look at the case, and you get a shock by what you see what happened to it. There's a giant hairline crack all the way up there. It has not gone all the way through. Halfway. A bit more than halfway. As you can see. The lady asked what she wanted for it. She said, that it happened in the store, and that after 60 years of service and being packed away in this case, this week it finally broke, and that it had they were cleaning out the store, and that's why everything was outside. It was a sunny day, so don't worry, it has not been in the rain. It was sunny outside, and they probably dropped it, or they just probably smacked it out there, and they just didn't bother looking at what broke. I just left it there, and this is the result. And I was really sad about this, but probably because I will show you, because it has damage here and also at the under part. The lock is still functioning, which I'm really happy about, because then I probably will be able to glue it. The lock still functions and latches properly. There's also a crack here, a long one as well, about 1/4 of the. Taking part of 1/3 actually of the bottom part. So I was really disappointed when I see that, and I will probably I will glue it. Tomorrow we'll get some special super glue and probably glue it on the inside so you don't see it on the outside. And tomorrow we're going back to the store because I have the feeling, since this typewriter is in such beautiful condition still, and since it came with this booklet, which I will show you in a minute, I have the feeling there was more to this machine. Also, the label has gone missing, and because the crack has gone through, I think it happened when it dropped. So tomorrow I'm going back to the store, see for bits and pieces of this case and what is supposed to be with this typewriter, since it should have a brush and all that. Maybe it's still there, I hope so, because this machine is in such a beautiful condition. I still hope we can find it and get its proper look back. So yeah, I was really sad when I saw this, it's oh beautiful Triumph typewriter. I took a look at the case and oh my god, look at that. Yeah, that's just the fact about people who do not know what they're having here, and they just don't care about it and just break it because they think, oh, it's not worth anything, so just break stuff. I mean, this typewriter is 60 years old, and you know, somebody's not handling with care and they don't care about it, and this happens. I mean, that's sad to see. I mean, I did that too to myself, but that's a different story. Anyway, just to get that, just to make you feel better, the lock is still working, and I will probably glue it back. I will glue it tomorrow, and I will go back to the store and see for pieces, because I do want this typewriter to get its original look back. It's a really nice machine, and it's sad to see it in this condition. Anyway, let's continue. There's, like I said, there's a label missing there. I think you can still rub that off, and it then doesn't look like it had been there. The paint is in magnificent shape. As you can see, there are no chips or any dents or even scratches here. Only down here, a little. It has a color selector here on the side, which functions fine. A tabulator with its set, clear, and all that. It has, there's levers all over here, as you can see. The first lever is for the carriage release, oh no, the paper release. You can see this company, you can pull the paper out. This is the carriage release, and this is nice. I installed it on my SG1, and I have a couple of other typewriters also have this function. This is when you set the typewriter tabulator, and you set a tab setting, and you want to clear them all at once. You just pull this lever, and it clears them all for you. On this side, it has a that the platen moves freely, like when I switch this back. You can hear the difference. And another carriage release. Now, besides that, like I said, there's a little bit of wear there, but there's nice indicators. My camera is not that good, so I cannot really show you, but I'm getting that what your margins are set at. The margin release was disconnected. I connected it, and now it works fine. Sometimes sticks a little, but that's because the typewriter needs to be oiled. We have. I can open that up if you just hold on for a second. I can put you down. There we go. Here's the inside of the machine. Really good condition, no paint chips, dust, that's all. Overall, it's really clean actually, now I come to see. It's a really clean machine. Keys are clean. I think it has been not that much used. That's why I feel it's sad in this condition. But there's still one original ribbon here. Ribbon spool. Ribbon is dried up. I need to buy a new one, which I can do at the local office store. A little bit of wear here. That's all. The keys are all in great shape. It says. And let me just put the back cover back on. There we go. Here it says Triumph. I don't know how you pronounce that. Nuremberg, and then in Germany, made in Germany. Triumph. This little lever on the side is the carriage lock, which also works fine. You just lock it that way, anyhow. Locks right in place. It was kind of sticky when I found this machine, but now it works fine. Like as more as I get to press these keys, the more loose it gets, which is usual with this typewriter. So yeah, I have the manual here. It says Triumph Norm Perfekt, and then it says German. It says it's a small typewriter, portable. And you open up, you get a whole bunch of stuff, information, as you can see. When I stand far off my camera, you can see it fine, but it's already nice. It's 16. I think it's 16. I'm not too sure. Let me see. No, it's 10-page manual, and then you have some room for notes. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but a little bit of pen here. But manual overall is in also nice condition. Stick together, paper's in good shape. I wish they could take better care of it at the store, because. Anyways, like I said, the type is really light, so the carriage roll squeaks a little, needs some oil. You can hear it a little. Yeah. I will oil that tomorrow. I will work on this tomorrow, and I see this as a restoration project, and there's more of a restoration as on the case than on the typewriter itself. And when it's finished, I bet it's a brilliant little machine, and although it's German, I will be able to write on it. So anyway, sorry for the disappointed voices and story, but that's just it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed my typewriter. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know if you have any suggestions of restoring this case, because I want it restored and I want to make it usable again. And when I have some super glue and it's plastic, it's a plastic case, I'm sure it will be able to carry. Like, I'm still able to carry the typewriter, but I'm not going to do it. Like, it's too weak right now. But when it's glued, I probably do a little bit of tape here and a bit of tape along the line, and then and then some glue inside it and glue the panel underneath here. Fix that, and I think it's brilliant, ready to go. And I hope to find the parts that belong to it. So thank you for watching, have a good day.